2015 Jayco Greyhawk 29 MV V10 for sale in Columbia, Tennessee 38401. Get ready to experience your next home away from home in this 2015 Jayco Greyhawk. This Class C RV is 32 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 5 guests. It has been outfitted with 2 slide-outs and 1 electric awning with lights, navigation system, rear/side vision camera. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its excellent condition. This 2015 Jayco Greyhawk is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities throughout, you can easily make this spacious Class C RV your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Coach is spacious with lots of interior and exterior storage. 2 slide-outs LR and BRM. Keyless entry. Frameless windows, pull-down light/dark shades, auto-jack leveling, sofa/sleeper, booth dining/sleeper. Cabinets with plenty of storage. Bottom cabinets have lights, double kitchen sink, pull-out counter, microwave, stove, 3-burner, with oven/cooktop cover, refrigerator/freezer, spacious lighted pantry, 232 TV, AC and heating system, separate shower from toilet and bathroom sink, full bed over cab, bedroom, queen mattress, 60 by 80 in, large mirrored closet with lights and overhead storage, Tankless On-demand Water Heater, stereo system, CD player, lighting, outlets, AC electrical power, house battery, new 2019, battery charger, city water hookup, generator, Onan 4000 watt, water filter, automatic steps, exterior 110 outlet, propane tank, outside shower, exterior speakers, 2, CO detector, LPG leak detector, smoke detectors, water capacity, fresh water 32 gallons, black water 40 gallons, gray water 33 gallons. Great camper for campers. This 2015 Jayco Greyhawk is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This Class C RV is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2015 Jayco Greyhawk can be yours.